Today we are here to torture test the new OpenAI Codex CLI running GPT 5.1 against Google's Gemini CLI running Gemini 3 Pro. The mission is to build what Epic Games is too cowardly to release. Fortnite Chapter 7, Lego Harry Potter Quidditch Gulag Edition. I fed them both a PRD that reads like a fever dream, flying mechanics, golden snitches, and a Gulag respawn system. I told them they have complete freedom to make this the greatest game ever, which is code for, please humiliate yourself for my entertainment. Right out of the gate, we see the difference in personality. Codex is like that lazy senior developer who knows the deadline is in 10 minutes. It decides to build the whole thing in a single dirty HTML file. No dependencies, no morals, just raw code. Gemini, on the other hand, decides to act like an overeager intern. It starts initializing a physics-driven React application, installing the entire Node modules universe, and probably trying to contact the International Space Station. Codex finished before I could even take a sip of coffee. Gemini is still trying to figure out if my Mac is compatible with its ego. Let's look at Codex first. It loads immediately. I see shapes, I see a HUD. It looks like a geometry textbook having a panic attack, but it runs. Now for Gemini. It crashed immediately. A roll-up dependency error. I give it a chance to fix it, and to its credit, it adds snow particle effects to match my Winterfest vibe, while the game still doesn't open. That is the definition of polishing a turd. Back to Codex. I can fly. Well, sort of. The controls are completely backwards. I push up, I go down, I push left, I go right. It feels like I'm piloting a broomstick while drunk. Look at my character. It looks like a D-cell battery trying to pole vault. But hey, there are other bots flying around. I can see the golden snitch. It's ugly, but it's technically a Quidditch match. I feel like the fat kid in gym class. I'm just floating sideways watching the athletic shapes have fun without me. Gemini finally gave me a build. And I'm a lemon that got stabbed by a pool cue. I can move my lemon, but the camera won't follow. I am literally a spectator in my own gulag. I tell Gemini to fix the camera. It says, okay, fixed. It's pulling a shady mechanic move on me. Yeah, boss, I fixed that rattle for you. Meanwhile, the engine is actively falling out of the car. We go through 3 prompts of this. I fixed it. No, you didn't. How about now? No. Gemini built a scalable, modular, enterprise-grade architecture for a screensaver. In the end, Codex wins by a landslide. Gemini tried to build Cyberpunk 2077 in a browser and failed. Codex built a janky HTML file that I can actually play. The lesson here, if you want to build the Fortnite Gulag in 5 minutes, keep it simple. If you want to debug dependency errors for an hour, use Gemini. If you enjoyed watching me suffer through this API bill, smash like. Comment below if you think you could beat the Lemon Stick Man in a 1v1. See you in the next one.